So here is the free version of Canva. There's a lot going on here, so let me unpack it for you a little bit. You can design anything, you're not lying. If you can look down below, this is just a bunch of different templates that you can use. It's so amazing. So recommended, you can look and see, look, there's Instagram post. This is already measured out correctly for you, so you just download and you put it right straight to your Instagram account. A logo, Facebook post, so many things, and this is a really good menu bar here. Social media, so here's all the social media templates that they have. They have blog templates, they have YouTube channel art, these just a blank canvas, or they'll have pre-made templates for you already. So let's say we wanted to design a new t-shirt. Let's just type in here, t-shirt. Okay. There are so many templates that you can choose from. You can choose a blank one. You can choose any one of these and just simply change it. So let's try that, and I'll show you both ways. So let's choose a template first. So let's just look down here. I'm going to try this one. This one looks really cool. Let's just change this. You can see I just double-clicked and then I retyped. I'm going to move this slightly and then move this entire piece over just a little bit. I'm going to change this to P. Move it back over. I want to get the word inspire. See how that looks. I like it, but we just have to tweak it a little bit more. So look at the pink lines. It'll show you how to align it well. I'm going to just align it a little bit better. Kind of like that. Now I'm going to move this up. Make it a little bit smaller. See how every time I click on an element, it changes up here. You can change the font, the size, the color of it. So let's make this color. Play with the spacing of the letters. So between the letters, let's move this out a little bit. Let's look at between the letters again. Look, see how it puts bigger gaps between the letters? Okay, and we could even try the line height. So that's if you have, let me show you this. So you can play with the line height here, but we don't need that for this. So let me erase this, make this shorter, move it back over. You can change the name of your template. Let's say you do all this and you don't like it. You can search for templates over here as well. You can also add a new page. Let's say we want this one. Do the same thing. You can delete the elements by clicking on the element and going up here, hitting the delete button. If you make a mistake, you can hit back, the undo button up here. And let's say you want to copy something. You can hit this duplicate, and that'll copy it for you. And you can change the transparency of this as well. Canva works in layers, so these are all different layers. This is the top layer, and this is the back layer, and this is in the middle. I'm walking for is in the middle. Let me show you what I mean by that. So cancer research up to the very front. If you hit position and you want to move this to the back, hit back. Bring forward. So let's say you want to work from a blank slate. Let's go here. Now you have all the templates on the left side, which is your first tab, templates. You can also upload something in here by just dragging the image straight from your desktop or from your downloads right here. You have a variety of photos to choose from. There's stock photos. So all of these are free images for you to use. My favorite section of Canva is the Elements section. The Elements section is so fun to play with because they have so many different vectors and images in here for you. So if you go up here, you can filter it by color and you can filter it by if it's static or animated. But you can simply type in anything. So let's type in the word yarn. Here are all of the yarn choices they have for you. When you hover it over and it says free, this is good. This is good news. This means we can use this. We don't have to pay for a commercial license. If you want to use this element, you'd have to pay for it. You see the watermark? You have to pay money for it, for its commercial license. Yeah, one design use for $1. So you can use this in one design and it'll cost you $1 each time. That's why I recommend going pro. So this is really cute. We'll play with this one. The elements, you can choose the color of them. Lots of really amazing elements that people have drawn and uploaded here for you. Okay, let's add some text. I'm going to go down here to text. So again, they already have a lot of templates already here for you. If you didn't want a template, you can go to add a heading and let's play with it. When we select the layer or we select the element, it'll light up here what we can do with it. So let's change the font. Some of the fonts are not on the free version. You'll have to purchase the Pro plan in order to get them. So here, if I wanted this in the center, you push position and click center. Again, if you wanted it at the top, middle, bottom, left, right, center, you can do that as well. Okay, I like this one, but it's too big, so I'm going to make it smaller. And then I also want it to be in one line, so I pulled it out a little bit more. I'm just going to put this right under their bums. Make this a little bigger. So there you go. Simple, fun, easy. The sky is the limit here. You can add a background, which is really neat. So let me show you what that is. So if you click this, it'll automatically fill that in. If you didn't want this as the background, then you can right click it and say detach image from background. You can also go back to photos, take it, hover it over, and it'll automatically fill it into the back. If you don't want it to do that, just click on it once. You can also create folders to keep it more organized in your Canva dashboard. So let's say you're ready to go and you want to download what you have made. You're going to go up here and you're going to hit this down arrow. You have a lot of different options here. You can download it as a PNG, which is a high quality image that you can remove the background. You can download it as a JPEG, which is a small file size image. This is really good for websites. PDF standard, PDF print. You could do a video. You can also do a GIF. Let's do the PNG. So on the Pro plan, you can make the size of the file bigger, but on the free plan, you cannot, as well as you cannot make the background transparent. So you'll have this white background the whole time. So that's the downside if you're wanting to do t-shirt, that you won't be able to take the background out without having to purchase the Pro plan.